Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Let me introduce myself. My name is Richie Miranda with student ID number 23106478, afternoon management class A. I'm here to complete the midterm exam assessment given by Mr. Sudung Simatopang. Here, I explain the Mendeley tutorial. Next, I will demonstrate how to add Dash file to Mendeley automatically. But we'll do in one by one to ensure of the data. I'm going to show you the standard way to add journal reference using the Add Files menu. This method is highly recommended so we can select our file more precisely. First step, click the Add or Add New button in the top left corner of the Mendeley app. Then, select the Add File option. Once the file browser window appears, I pick them one by one. For this first one, I select a Cinta journal file. Click the file and click Open. Alright, the file is now in our list. Now let's check the detail in the right hand panel. Even though we add it automatically via Add Files, we still need to verify the data carefully. Make sure journal article is selected. Title and author. Assure the title and author names match the PDF document. Journal identity, double check the journal name, publication year, volume, and issue number. Remember friend, our accuracy at this tag will determine how neat our bibliography will be in Microsoft Word later. Now, for the other two journals, whether it's an international journal or another national one, the steps are example the same. We still ask the Add Files feature and perform the some metadata check. Now that the journal are the set, let's move on the next file, the conference proceeding, or what we usually call seminar proceeding. Just like before, we click Add New, select File from Computer, and I choose the proceeding file I've already prepared. Click Open and wait a moment for the upload process to finish. This part is absolutely crucial from proceeding. Sometimes Mendeley automatically detects this as a journal article instead of a proceeding. If that happens, we must manually change the type to conference proceeding. Why? So that the bibliography format will be correct and consistent later on. For a proceeding, make sure that elements are filled in. Title and author. Just like with journal, as usual, the title and author name are assured. Proceeding title. This is important. Don't put a journal name here. Instead, enter the name of the seminar, of conference. For example, proceeding of the International Conference on Management, year and city. Don't forget to include the year and the city where the seminar was held if that information is available. Besides, we sometimes use high quality video from YouTube as reference for this kind of sure. We will need to add the information manually. The process is simple. Click Add New, then select Add Entry manually. In the type selection, change into film or video. Next, fill in the required data. Title, enter the title of the YouTube video. Author, enter the creator's name or the channel name. Publication, type in YouTube year, the year the video was uploaded. URL, don't forget to copy and paste the video link into the URL field. This is important so the lecturer can verify the authenticity of the source. Next, we are going to add a disease. The process remains the same. Click Add New, select the file, and click Open. Let's wait for the import to finish. Now, let's check the column on the right. There is one additional column that we must pay attention to here, which is the university file. Ensure that the original university name is written in full. Don't forget to also check the year and department field if they are available. Having complete data is very important so that our citation look credible. And the sure clearly show which institution it belongs to. Next, I will show you how to manually add a reference from a web page. The steps are: click Add New, then select Add Entry manually in the type selection. Make sure to select we pack the information we need to complete is title. the title of the article or the web page. Author, the author's name if there is no personal author. You can use the organization name, for example, BPS Indonesia, publication or website. Enter the name of the website. Year, the year the article was published. URL and access data. Paste the full link and don't forget to include the data you access the website, as online content can change over time. Finally, we are going to add an ebook as a reference. Just like the previous steps, we click Add Now, select the ebook file, and click Open. Let's wait for the file to appear in our library. Now, let's check the detail in the right-hand panel. Make sure that the selected type is book. In additional to the title and author, make sure the publisher and year field are filled in. If the information is available in the book, it's a good idea to also manually complete the city and edition file. This ensures our citation is perfect and follow proper scientific writing standards. Then, we look for the grand theory, Mendeley theory, applied theory, according to your multiple title concept. And I tell you how what if we find a very relevant journal, but is behind a paywall? Don't worry, we can still get the data into Mendeley. The first method is to download only the metadata. Look for an export or city button on the website. Then choose the RIS or big text format. This thin file contains all the journals information with the actual PDF. Just add this file to Mendeley via Add Files, and the data will populate automatically. But what if we still need to read the full content? You can copy the DOI of the journal and use a tool like SciHub. Once the PDF is accessible, you can download it and upload it to Mendeley using the Add Files method we discussed earlier. By combining RIS or BIP text for metadata and SciHub for the document, there's no reason to miss out on high quality, reference just because of access issues. So, that's the complete tutorial on using Mendeley to support our research methodology assessment. I am covered everything from importing journal, proceeding, and physical books to systematically mapping our theory to Track 10, Chapter 2. I hope this tutorial is helpful and enables everyone to procedure neater. Remember, attention to detail in reference management is the key to high quality research. I am Richie Miranda. Thanks you. I apologize if there are any error of unclear explanation. I sincerely apologize. Bye-bye.